Hi everyone, and welcome back to another quick drawing video. Okay, this is a drawing that I actually done quite a while ago actually. It's ended up as a project on Patreon, but I never actually bothered making a YouTube video of it, and I think it was several years ago I actually done this drawing. It's from a photo that was kindly sent in by one of my Patreon members, and I thought it would make a really nice graphite drawing. So that's exactly what I've done. I got the A5 sketchbook out. It's the C White Travel Journal sketchbook that I'm using for this one, and I decided just to do a fairly easy sketch of this one and try and capture the atmosphere and the mist in the forest, and obviously make the horse and the rider there the focal points of the picture. Now, like I say, this was actually a project done over on my Patreon channel, so there's several other videos to accompany this one, and you'll be able to draw along with this one with full instruction, step by step, and hopefully get a really good result at the end of it. And you'll learn lots in this one too. Obviously you'll learn the background effects and how to create nice misty atmospheres and things like that. And also you'll learn how to do the textures for tree foliage and the foreground textures, which you'll see towards the end of the video. And because it's all done in an A5 sketchbook, it's nice and small and it doesn't take too long. It's quite an easy one to do, even for a beginner. Now, if you've got cold feet about joining Patreon, let me just reassure you that my channel is a very supportive and welcoming place. The community members there all post their artwork, share their artwork with each other and help and support each other, and of course I'm always there to answer questions and help you as much as I can. I've actually been painting and drawing for over 30 years. I've got a wide range of techniques and methods which I came up with myself, and I'm quite happy to share all the secrets with you over on my Patreon channel. And it only costs £3.50 a month, which is a pittance really for the amount of content that's over there. And you're not tied into anything. You can leave any time you like, so there's no long-term commitments or anything like that. Although I will say most of the members that have got are all long-term members. They joined years ago, or they've been there right from the start and they're still there today. So I guess I must be doing something right. And also, all of the videos and the tutorials over on Patreon, they're all advert free. Which is actually unlike this video, because this video has been just one giant advert for Patreon, I guess. But hey, you know, you can't blame a man for trying to earn a living, can you? But if Patreon's not your thing, there's lots more free content for you on this YouTube channel. So take a look through my videos. I'm sure you'll find something that you'll enjoy there. And at the end of all this, if you can still find it in your hearts to give me a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. And of course, if you want to give a thumbs down, that's fine too. But don't forget, if you want to give a thumbs down, hit that thumbs down button twice. It really lets me know you don't like the content. Okay, so thanks very much for watching everyone, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.